to make a perfect beef shawarma. Recipe is the secret. In a deep bowl, add 4 cups of yogurt. Add 200 grams of vinegar with 200 grams of oil and the recipe beef shawarma seasoning bag. Mix all these ingredients until they are completely combined. Add 5 kilograms of meat slices to the marinade and mix them well until the meat is fully coated. The advantage of this marinade is that you can prepare it and keep it in the fridge for 4 days, meaning it's ready for you at any time. Put the shawarma on the grill and you'll smell the spice aroma from the very first second on the heat. Recipe guarantees a tender meat texture that is rich in juices. With Recipe, you'll get higher productivity with a strong, distinctive taste, as testified by all your customers. Check out the result after cooking: appetizing-looking shawarma and an authentic oriental taste that puts your restaurant in a whole different league. Recipe, the secret behind your restaurant's taste.